Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hey guys, Stephen I from Mindful Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today, this is LTC, auto mining, and I'm just going to show you, some proof. I'm collecting profits from this contract mining app, crypto contract mining app. This is my balance now, which tells me that I can withdraw this to my crypto wallet. And I just want to show you the processes of making a withdrawal. Now, each day I get this amount to show you a bit of appreciation, how much business I've been doing with LTC. 617 page worth, okay? That means I've been doing a lot of business, meaning transaction, with LTC. Now, these are some of my payments coming through, but today we're just going to show you a process of withdrawing. Even if you have money here for yourself, this is the money that you can now withdraw to your wallet. And this is the process. Go up to the top here, press on withdraw. Once withdrawal is activated, it's a process. Just follow my process. Coming down the bottom here. Now these are the preloaded wallet address. Now it's got to go into my wallet, Litecoin, $8.10. Okay, come down the bottom, change this number to 8. Making sure you click on Litecoin where the money is, not any other one, by clicking out of it. And as you can see, only the coin that's got a code on it will accept any coins, of course. So make sure you click on Litecoin. Come back down the bottom here, $8.10. Type that in. Down the bottom, press request. That will take you another confirmation page before the transaction is ready to go to my wallet. Here we go. Now I'm going to enter some special codes in here. Get out of there so I can go into. Okay, people. Now we've got our money withdrawal heading towards our crypto wallet. This is the date, 26th of October 2023. The point is very, very important. Now, all you got to do is join. Should be a link down the bottom of this video to join Auto Mining app. And of course, you can also have your own referral link that you can refer this program to other people. When they join, you get a percentage of their income or their processes with LTC Litecoin. That's called referral. That's optional, and you can do exactly the same what I'm doing here. Just introduce it to people, your people, through your videos. And that's the beauty about online businesses. That it's all digital, then you can promote it wherever you want to. Social media, YouTube video. And of course, there should be a link down the bottom of this video to join LTC Auto Mining. And also please subscribe to my YouTube video. In the future, you're going to get a ping on your side to let you know Steven has made one of these wonderful videos. Would you like to have a look at it? Because I am researching a lot of apps, because there's a lot of brand new apps coming into the market at this point of time. I'm doing some of the research. Not all of them are perfect, but I tell you, I'm going to introduce the good ones that I think it's going to pay you a lot of money. I don't just have auto mining app. I got plenty of them. Only because it's called diversification. You can't put all your eggs in one basket. So even though I'm showing you LTC auto mining, and I show you other apps, that's the reason I don't trust that my money in one app gives me a peace of mind. But if I have it in many, many other apps that you might see in my video, that's the purpose. And you can do the same. And if you really find a good app, stick with it and pour a lot of investment into the process. One of the strategy that I'm going to show you while you're here, it's a really, really, really good strategy. Here we go. Well, no, sorry, not that one. Speed up mining. It's this baby here. Now, just say, for example, you have bought a $30 investment. Now, the strategy goes like this. You buy one this week, whenever you get to pay. Doesn't have to be $30. It could be $100. It could be $300. It could be $1,000, depending on how much you're getting on an income. So remember this strategy. each week. Whatever amount of money that you have after you paying your bills with your wages, come in here and buy a contract, whether it be a $10, $30, or whatever amount. The only problem with the $10, you only got a 10-day cycle. Now, all the rest are 30 days except for the two top last ones. It lasts for 40 days. That means you get paid for 40 days from one contract. Anyway, going back to what I'm saying. You buy one contract today, next week when you have some extra money, you buy another contract. And you consistently buy one every week. Taking that into consideration, you have bought a new contract every week for a whole month. That means you're going to continue just getting this endless income, day-to-day income, for 2 weeks, 4 months, if you buy one contract a week. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? I hope you do. Buying one contract a week lasts 30 days. Another contract next week, that's another 30 days. That's 2 months. And you buy one on the third week, that's 3 months. That you're continuously going to continue getting this income, like I just showed you on my early video, that you can come in here and collect your profits. Okay? Can you appreciate that strategy? It's called passive income. You create your own passive income. So every day, whatever amount, it depends on how much you invest, will show up in here. And you're going to appreciate, trust me, you will really appreciate this strategy that I'm showing you. And that's the beauty. It don't stop you just because you bought a contract today that you say you can't buy another contract. Now, if you bought this one, you can buy another one next week or even tomorrow. You can just buy as many as you can once you get the money. These are the smaller contracts, but appreciate this fact. What if you bought a contract every week with these higher amounts? Look at the daily income you'll be getting. This is daily income for 30 days. Daily income $1,350 for 40 days. But of course, you got to get 20,000 US and to invest. And the highest is 50,000 US, and you'll be collecting $3,500 every. Now, let's appreciate $50,000 invested in LTC for 40 days. Okay, and I'm doing some calculation. $3,500 times 40, your $50,000 in 40 days is 140,000 smackaroos. Easy. You don't have to think about it. These products, they're not determined on cryptocurrency market or financial market. Whatever this contract say we're going to get, that's exactly the amount. It doesn't go up or down. It just stays the same. That's the beauty. You know exactly how much money you're going to be making. So say, for example, you put $50,000 in here. Plenty to live off every week. And if you do another $50,000 next week, that means you got 2 months of income coming in at $3,500. And if you follow the strategy as I was saying, and you buy another $50,000 contract third week, that means you got another 3 months. 40 days. So each week it's 40 days. 2 weeks, 80 days. 3 weeks, if you buy another contract in the third week, what am I? 40, 80, 120. And of course, if you buy for the fourth week another $50,000, that's $200,000 investment, just broken down in small section. It will stretch then to 120 days. Is that right? Something like that anyway. But you can appreciate what I'm trying to say. Instead of putting it on one, say 200,000, that's if you want a continuous payment coming through every day, you can do so. Or you can just pump $200,000 in it. But I don't think they will allow it. And if you have $200,000, do inform the owners first before you do these higher contracts. And of course, if you are going to do some higher contract, like say 1,000, just let them know. Contact these app administrations and let them know that you're going to do that. The smaller ones, you don't really need to. They're not really worried about the smaller contracts. It's the higher one, they're a bit cautious that people are not trying to scam the system. But more importantly, it is that strategy that I was talking about. Buy one contract every week and you'd be surprised. You're setting up yourself for income, daily income coming in every single day. And if you haven't joined LTC Mining, please, there should be a link down the bottom. Click on it, sign up, verify your account with the email address, and just go through what they're asking. You don't have to put in the wallet address at this point of time. You can fill it in later. Just go through the registration. Miss out filling in the link code for now. You get, like I said, you can add those in later on and get your account verified. And of course, as I said, subscribe to my YouTube videos so you can get a lot of these in-depth ideas how to operate this money-making machine. But anyway, stay right away from scams. And this is Stephen R. Ford from Mindful Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you. God loves you. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.